Mr. Robert. I'm here. Made it to the Lightning game last night, Coach.
Oh, really?
Somebody
We had
surprised
lightning
me.
here and a tornado warning, but never really got this far.
There was definitely lightning here.
Yeah. Florida's the lightning capital of the world, guys.
No, that I meant the team.
I know. I guess that's why they called them the lightning. Huh?
I think that's why.
Yeah.
That's a wild guess.
Yeah, they call them that or the Gators. That's good. Skin cancer could be another one. I think Florida has the largest, might be tied with California. Do you hear in New York? Maybe we'll save that for
The
the.
rocking chairs, the Florida rocking chairs.
Maybe, maybe we'll save that for the podcast. The New York City weatherman was beaten up on the subway. Like 8
What?
guys jumped him. I guess maybe he had a bad prediction or something. Yeah. They were beating up an old guy, and he went over and said, "Hey, leave them alone." He figured they'd recognize him and say, "Hey, it's the weatherman." And one of the kids said, "Oh yeah, well, we'll stop beating him up. We'll beat you up instead." Yeah. And then the cops were waiting for him. They got like half of the gang.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Why is the weatherman riding the subway
At 2 a.m?
at 2 a.m?
Yeah. You should be out watching the weather,
To check the temperature. Good one, Rad. Good one.
They need more Bernard Goetzes. I'm sure most of you guys don't know who Bernard Goetz is. Anybody know the name Bernard Goetz? Yeah, David
I'm
would.
guessing there's somebody that knows that name.
It was this like nerdy guy. They based the movie Death Wish on him. Nerdy guy riding the subway, reading his newspaper, and these punks come up with a knife. "Hey man, give you money." And he had a like 357 Magnum under his his newspaper, and he blew him away. They called him the Vigilante.
Yeah.
Take some off here, guys. Charles Bronson, yeah.
Burning.
Just that 34,
That's what he wants.
534 entry, guys.
Order filled.
All right, again. So those of you new people, let's see. We got quite a few people showing up on trial. Guys, make sure to watch your orientation video. Today is, what is today? Wednesday? Today's Wednesday. We probably won't be doing an orientation this morning. Make sure to watch your orientation video, and we'll do an orientation tomorrow morning. Join us, participate, ask questions. Please don't be trading your first day in the room with us. If you're an experienced trader, paper trade or sim trade, try to follow along. Best idea is to take notes. It does take some time to catch on to what we're saying, what we're doing, how we're doing stuff. So I would suggest scheduling time with a coach. We'll answer those questions privately, or feel free to chat in the main chat room and do what these guys are doing and make fun of the jokes we're talking about and take the trades with us. There is my disclaimer and sorts. He gets what he wants. Still using a headset, Coach?
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm using a headset now.
Okay. Did you switch it to the listening through the headset and then talking through the mic?
No, I didn't try that. I didn't want to mess around with it until maybe I get a good headset.
We'll have to try it. Let's try it probably this afternoon when we do a little dry run thing.
Very good.
Let's do that.
Move your stop up to break even.
Yes, Sarter.
People.
Tick chart is frozen. Until what time?
Yeah. What time will it be unfrozen, Sarter? No one tell him. No one tell him.
Yeah, if you find us funny, there is a 10% surcharge. If you don't find us funny,
Yeah.
yep.
When the weatherman heals, when the weatherman gets out of the hospital. No. And freezing temperatures until I return. It starts when it starts. Yeah.
You left your tick chart out in the cold, Coach. It's frozen.
Give up, Sarter? What time does the tick chart start working?
Will somebody answer? You guys know this. Let me play something obnoxious.
Yep, 9:30
There we go.
Eastern, when the market opens for business. Yep, 7:30.
You know what the cool thing about the headset is? It makes you sound like you're normal. It makes you sound like I'm sitting next to you.
Wow.
Yeah, you usually sound really like booming. Your
Didn't know
voice
that.
sounds like it booms a lot.
And this is like a $9 headset.
Huh.
I mean, it's very uncomfortable. It's got a plastic. The left
Yeah.
side is a plastic, literally like a pen top, and it just sort of presses against your ear. There's no.
You know what we'll do? We'll get somebody to order you like a $9 headset that plugs into your microphone.
Yeah.
We'll make that happen.
And it only has one
existence.
earpiece, the one on the right. It's like it's only made for somebody who was born with one ear.
Someone please order Coach a $9 plug-in
Yeah.
foam nice comfy headset for his mic, his nice professional mic.
For $19 a month,
you can hear me.
Help a trader who's frozen with the tick charts.
It's worth 2 ticks.
And he could have his own headset and no longer suffer. There's no one else in his life who worries about him.
I'm taking this short signal.
All right. All right. Coach is going short. Let's go, guys.
Silliness. Pretty sure somebody heard me. They can take care of that little headset thing. Not Coach Larry.
This will be the third call already, guys. 2 for 2 so far.
Oh, no. Why did I make a call then? I don't want to mess the record up. Oh, no. I was going to say, wait for a high tick read.
No, I agree. Too late, I'm short.
Dang it.
I'm actually short now where I went long before at 5:34.
Hey, making money both ways. Good morning, Coach Hugo. Buenos dias. Oh, now you say something rad?
22 is the next target for me anyway. 522. There we
Well,
go.
we should have some profits now on this trade. Good job, ladies and gentlemen.
There you go. 522 is hit.
Well,
Order filled.
Good call, Coach.
Paul better be in this or I'll kick your butt.
And when Mo wants a kick, guys.
You take profits already, Paul. Do it the right way, buddy. Good job.
34 to 22.
Good job, guys. Now you can't lose.
We got 3 for 3.
Some people would say, those of you on trial, some people would say that we are pretty amazing, but I think the most amazing part is our members. They actually take the trades and make money doing it. Thank you, Chad. I liked it. What? Some of those little plane. I found out there's another little tiny airport that's like in the middle of the county that these tiny little single prop planes fly into.
And that's the pilot at the bar drinking before his next.
It's the pilot at the bar drinking.
He's getting ready for the next trip. 8-minute rule from bottle to throttle. Oh man, we're having fun already, guys.
It's funny. 200 people, and only 6 people playing around with us. Wake up, everyone. Let me play some noise. Whoa, that sounded like Betty. See if this wakes some people up. Wake up, everybody. It's time to trade, make money.
That's what we should have. Yeah, that's a great alarm. Yeah. Hand comes out of the wall.
I'm actually going to record it on my phone and make it my alarm.
Don't give that as a Christmas gift to your parents over 60. Kind of a heart attack. Oh, I killed my father. How? I had this funny alarm detector. It's got this hand that whacks. Actually, I have an alarm that goes off literally 5 minutes before the regular alarm. Both cats jump on the bed and start meowing. They want their treats. And I've got a little routine. I have them go to the scratching post that we have built in. They got to scratch their claws. And I say, go scratch. And they both walk over like, oh, man. It is really funny to watch them do that. Then they turn around, like they got their paws on the scratching post and they turn behind them like, okay, where's the treat? It's an amazing display of cat intelligence or habit or whatever. I got out of that short, sort of. I had a 20-point stop. I had a little over that. A 560 was my stop. I got out of 522. I don't know, Coach, are you still in it?
I'm trying to. I got one left. Took profit on
Okay.
2 contracts, so can't lose on the trade, but trying to hold on. But you should have who asked? Sarter? You should have taken Sarter, yeah. So you should have taken Sarter and Sarter. Sarter.
I took plus 12 on it, Sarter.
Yeah, you should have taken profits on a couple contracts. So if you've taken profits on a contract or 2 and you only have a contract left like me, then I'm sitting I stop at 549. Can't lose on the trade, so we'll see what happens. Like to see it go down to close to 3. What's the target looking like? 306, 506, 506. But it's probably going to rally before that. Stop me out, take the profits, and then turn around and take the next short. Fair enough, Sarter.
Yeah, sort of. I think a good trade for you. Be wait till you see the overbought stochastics on the 15 range, right there, like we did earlier. If you can just wait for that. We in the notes. Let me ask you this, Sarda. What's your plan? What is your trading plan?
Dietrich actually, yeah, pretty much. I looked at the bounce off the S1 and saw the sell signal and took it. There wasn't a lot of complicated stuff to that one, Dietrich. How much is one contract? $5. Let's see. That's a loaded question there. What is it? Bose, F&I Bose. Loaded question there. You need to have some margin in your account to trade one contract, but one contract is $5 a point. $5 a point. Tick point, whatever. Same thing.
This is part of my notes, Sarda, and you guys here, right here. So all I'm doing is like saying, all right, 522, 592 would give me a 70-point rally. And then around there, if we get a hook down, take the short. So later on, if it goes up there, I'll just be looking for those 70-point rallies that hook. I like to short when stochastics are high and they hook down. I like to go long when they're low. Now, obviously, guys, longs are counter trend trades. So most of you should not take them.
Ooh, good question, David. I think you should take a guess, David. Look at the charts. Take a guess. I think you could probably guess it. Seriously, I think you could probably guess it, David.
Yeah.
You want to play a game, David? You want to try to guess it first? I really do. I think you could guess it. Out of most people in here, you're the one person I would think that could guess why that number is there. All right. We'll give you a few minutes. It's not his age. He's got a couple years before that. It's not a cell phone number because there needs to be 7 more digits. It's not the year he was born.
In 1870.
It's not his favorite number. Let's play a game. Hey guys, you know why David's doing it? It wouldn't kill you to try to figure out why he did it too.
Yeah.
Where that number came. I know
Stump the
exactly.
stars.
I think he guessed the number. No, I know exactly how he got that number. Krug knows. You know better than that, Krug. As in like the Fibonacci sequence. It might be in the Fibonacci sequence, is it?
Yeah, it could be.
I said 65 then plus 2. Oh, is it in the Fibonacci sequence? Well, then I'll do like the number just because it's in that sequence.
Nah, no grandma. I didn't. All right, yeah.
I know.
All right, go ahead, Coach. Yeah, well.
Listen, we did this last week. Mike P. You know the answer to this number, Mike P. You know it. Watch what Coach is doing right now and then give us the answer, Mike P. I know you know it. From
Way
where,
back
Viv?
when, around 5 a.m.
From where, Viv?
And then 77 points, guys, was what?
There you
583.
go. Hey.
Add that is 660. Draw
Good
a
old
line.
Viv wins a prize. What do you want your prize to be, Viv?
Now, of
Pleasure
course, I
move.
wasn't up over there, but I could see
Look at that. Profitable
earlier
Chad
how
gets
the
it.
market went down, had a little support, came back up there, and then tanked. So I figured it might go back up there and then do a little, what do you call that? A fake out, breakout, and then come down. So I had a sell limit, just, practice,
Informing.
trade. When I wasn't here,
Mhm.
but I was there, and I said, all right, where would I go short? Where would a good rally overbought? And I just took a wild guess and said 660, which happened to be 77 points, right? And voila, it didn't stop me out with my 25-point stop, and it worked. And I go, somebody's shorting those rallies that much. And then the thing came down 77 points and then went up. So somebody's playing a 77-point game.
And Chad and Viv, this is what you get for noticing that.
Yeah, it was a previously measured move. Somebody did it. Now, the reason I know it, I did it. I waited 77 points and then went short. Now, I didn't know it was going to turn out, but when I make money on a trade, I figure somebody else is going to do the same thing. So now you got those same rallies, and why not? So that's how we did it. Plus, look at 583 now, turned out to be support that was broken. Well, what would 590 be about 77 points from the low here, right? About 520. What was the low here? 517. Right? 516.
Dylan M forming, guys.
I'm going to mark that last trade, Coach, as a profit. I took 12 points out of it.
Yeah, I got in right inside the
you-
HMA, so I was in at 547.
If you guys didn't take profits, then you would have gotten stopped out with a small loss, but no biggie.
Oh, everybody here knows. Everybody that's in this group should know to take those profits fast.
Yep.
Just like if you did.
And we got less than 2 minutes. No trading until 6 minutes after the open.
547 entry.
See, the low so far was 516, right, guys? So add your 77 points to 516. Guys, it's not exact science, but around there, you should start getting resistance. So when you see the resistance, let's say one of our setups after 77 points, you might want to consider taking the trade. In this case would be actually 593 to be exact. Now, earlier, we did go short at 630. So that's another area you might want to watch, right? 620 rather. So watch that area. And for newer people, arrivals, don't just try to jump in and trade with all these things. Volatility numbers, retracements, first touch rules, fake out breakouts. Make note of each thing as they develop. Ask questions about it, and we will be glad to answer. Today is a down day. The daily trend is still down. We haven't taken out, still an inside day, even though the range is increasing. Okay. 30 seconds, guys.
Ooh.
And
no trading for the first. Go ahead, Coach.
The ticks will start moving then.
What? You're going to unfreeze your ticks? You got like a hairdryer or something? Those of you that short, take some profits. Put yourself in no lose situation. We are
open for business.
Yeah. Those of you with permission to trade the open can stay in the short. Those of you without permission to trade the open, sit on the sidelines for 6 minutes. Relax. Be happy that you're not getting whipped around in a volatile environment. Notice that the tick started really low this morning.
Yeah, if you're short, don't take more than 50 tick loss.
Yeah.
But don't take more than 50 tick stop because look at it rallying.
There you go.
You know the institutions are going to push it up so they can knock it down, right, guys? This is a given.
Batter.
Will they push it up to 6:30 again, like they did before? Could be.
Maybe.
Don't be surprised 593 is hit. That's why we say 6 minutes, guys. If you can't wait for 6 minutes, you have a mental
Addiction.
problem.
An addiction.
If I can wait for 6 minutes, you guys can wait too. These are just literally market on open orders, and both sides, longs and shorts, have orders to buy and orders to sell.
What's happening, Obi?
Good morning, Obi. Oh, 50% also. That's good to know. Thank you, Robert.
What's 50%?
Of a fib.
Oh.
Are you fibbing us?
Too much.
Those who have permission to trade
Should
trade
take
away.
profit on this short.
Yep.
The easy first touch rule for those of you who know how to trade it. Won't make it an official trade call just because we're trying to keep you guys safe. So know how to trade it.
Yeah, guys, we will call. Yesterday we called. How many trades you call yesterday?
15.
If you can't find enough trades in what we call, that's kind of sad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 trades we called yesterday.
I would have already had to take my shoes off to keep counting.
Yeah.
It's enough trades to keep the doctor away.
Yeah,
One loser out of 13 trades, guys.
that's it.
I think you could make some money doing that. Now watch it, guys. Watch it consolidate in the zone, break out to the high side, and look for that rally to short. This S1 areas, I think I'm trying to hold it down a little bit.
If we wait for the setups, it'll come. It's just like a Kevin Costner movie.
What, Aqua World?
Yeah, well, that too. I was thinking of the
I
baseball.
know,
movie.
I'm joking.
Yeah. Now he's doing
Aquaman,
something in Yellowstone or something like that.
Yeah.
It's like that lost
Kevin
people
Costner.
are living under primitive conditions. Except, how do they get a camera shot like 400 feet above them? Must be a helicopter. That's pretty primitive. Yeah. Here we go, guys. It's 593 coming right up. How about that?
Mm-hmm.
Boom. Take some profits. Anybody short 593?
I would imagine that everybody did that one.
Sitting there with a limit order. Got filled.
That was specifically in the game plan. Again, we're talking people with permission to trade in the first 6 minutes, Paul. soon you will be grown up one day and be able to trade.
Die, you dirty dog.
One day, Paul.
You guys amazed at how we figure this
Yeah,
stuff
when you grow
out?
up. One day. Luck. It's all luck.
Oh,
Coach.
yeah.
It's all luck.
Yeah. Well, look. See, now you guys have permission.
You're free. You need like a
Free to trade.
Free to trade around the country.
Your minimum target on your trades, guys, should be about 20 points. Two-minute stochastics getting overbought. That's what you want to see. Being overbought. Next target.
Like taking candy from newbie babies.
Yep. Next target was 549, guys.
Yeah. We need another chant. We need a chant here, guys. Get this thing to fall on us. What do you? Run, baby, run.
Okay, down flat. Waiting for the next setup, guys. On high. If anybody trade, stop. We had one tick of heat on that last trade. One tick.
Oh no.
Went to 594. I miscalculated. Sorry about that.
You're getting sloppy, coach. You're getting sloppy.
Maybe we'll make a double top up there. Yeah. Wait for the hit hit the resistance and then start back down. Watch high ticks. Same kind of setup. Two bars of high tick. Oh, yeah. Tired already.
Oh, I'm the one went to a hockey game last night.
Who won, by the way?
4-2 Lightning. Good game to
Oh,
go watch. Yeah. It was 3-2 down to the last few minutes. They pulled their goalie, and what happens when you pull your goalie usually is you get squirt on. So
yeah.
4-2, we walked out victorious. It was a good game to
Last
watch.
time we were buying some back around the 73 to 63 area, guys, if you're short. Trend lines are also good in these environments too, guys.
Awful quiet. Oh, that's what I was going to do. I was going to send you post a picture.
Watching this 20 moving average on. $15, $16 pick rule.
See that you caught yourself there. Thank you.
Nice. I like that picture.
What? All the Bettys?
Yeah.
Whoa, we need all 3 Bettys.
Okay, your next support down here is 73. Or 70.
There you go.
Yeah, it's a good picture. Yeah.
That's where I watched the game from.
I'm going to refresh these charts, guys, and my platform. Be right back.
I will be here. It's probably about the high side of the range here, guys. So look for this little consolidation to start breaking. And let's make a trade. How about that?
Okay, we're back in business.
Guys think that'll work?
Hey, starting to move, guys. Where's target? If you're short, around 605 or a little higher. On the 16 tick rule. Next target be about 582 and then 570. Stop, of course, would be right over that swing point, 622. Guys getting this? Good job.
Order filled.
Two contracts left. Barely stop. Taking one more off here, 570, and then I'll have one left. One left. Trail it, trail it, trail it. 35 points so far. Keep trailing and sailing. Good job, Dan. Love it. $593 to $605 was your sweet spot. as we talked about, like before the market opened. And everyone here had a chance to get into that trade. Isn't that amazing? How we can predict in advance where the market's going to go to. Isn't that cool? It's not really prediction, guys. It's just following what we did before. Right? Yeah.
Good job, Dan. Way to go.
Yeah. Dan gets gonged.
The gong. Thank you.
Well, we're
JT.
lucky to have you, Jennifer. Thank you.
That is it.
Actually, we should put that next support at 534. Remember, we were taking profits there, 534. Then we went long at 534. Remember that before? That was a happy place for Mr. Market down here. Remember? It was consolidating around there. We went long actually a couple of times on the counter trend. So that would be a good place for it to try to target on the downside. You see that? 534. Couldn't quite get up to the early morning, the one where we shorted over here. Remember, 630. Didn't have enough power to get up there, and then reversed. Pretty easy trade. If any of you have any left, your next target is 534 and then 505. Why 505? 100-point winner.
Hey, I've been doing this all morning, talking with my mic off. Got one left. Good job.
Order filled.
One left for 505, guys, now. 534 was hit. Should have gotten at least that. And then 505 gives you a 100-point winner. Good job, Mike.
Shall do it.
Thank you, Jennifer. We hope to see you soon.
All right, Mike, you get your gong.
Those who still have any left, just roll your stops down another 10 ticks. Good job, David Elliott. I have one left for 505. That's it. Can't lose.
Cannot lose. Good Mike is going. Good job, guys. Keeping one. We're going for it with Coach. Try to go the distance.
One more, guys. Let's see. Let's see if we get it.
Die, you dirty dog. Order filled.
I'm flat. That's it. Done for the morning. Everybody get it? 100-point winner in the bag. Or a little less if you took the 93.
Gonna keep trailing, guys.
Yep.
I am.
Coach is trailing. Follow the coach. He's the trailer. I don't
Right,
like trailers
trailer.
anymore. I drove them for a while. It's very frustrating. Hey guys, in the old days when I traded multiple and large size, yes, I'd be trailing. Now I don't really trade many contracts, 4 contracts, 5, that's it. So I scale them out and I'm very happy.
That's right. Coach is the tractor. I'm the trailer. Got it.
and you know, it's weird. I almost think it's a superstition. If I had a lot of contracts, we'd be up 100 points right now. But when I only go light, it always works. Isn't that weird?
Good job, David.
Still, guys, it's, you know, over $1,000 trade. Not unhappy with that.
If no kidding. No, if this buy signal fails, we're gonna move the stop down.
Yeah, great job.
So-
Great management, people. Bill, you catch one of these? Bill N.
Paul, you should be highly profitable today as well. Highly. Easy trades today, Paul. Slow
Brad, you got it,
moving.
right? There he is. What is that show? I never saw that one. That's weird.
Is it like a spinoff of Smokey and the Bandit, except for
Yeah,
Brad is a
yeah.
monkey instead of a dog? Nice job, Brad. Spencer's done for the day. Love it. I'm gonna
We love
break
this
the
stuff.
gong. Good job, guys. Get your gong on.
Oh, I think Coach was talking about like a 16
Nah.
temporal buy. If that fails, it's going to keep going down.
Bingo. That's
Yeah.
it. Yeah,
Oops,
that's what I'm looking for
I
right
should have
now.
let somebody else answer it. I was so anxious.
What's that, Coach?
I was too anxious to answer.
That's all right. You knew exactly what the plan was, what the plan is.
Any buy signal, guys, W's or not, if they fail, guess what? Mr. Market's going lower. Wow, it's really chopping around now.
Chopping
You
around.
noticed
Let's
the
go ahead and bring them
roll
lower.
picks?
Bring your stops down lower. Let's lock in.
Yeah. Good job, everybody. Yeah, Spencer, I agree. When it's so much easier when, you know, little rallies fail and they keep doing the same thing, then you get that sideways chop. That's why we say those narrow range inside days are creepy. But then if you wait, you'll get one of these.
You know, the great thing is, guys, we get stopped out here. We'll just short another rally.
Mm-hmm. Yep. There'll be other trades.
Seems like a complicated plan today. That's what I want to see. Colette. That is what I want to see. Of course you can, JT. I would say short the rallies. I mean, if you're not short now, there we go, guys. Now we're going to move our stop down. 512. Stop. Oh, stop it. Here it goes, guys. Hopefully you guys got short on that rally. Nice job, Paul. Come on, puppy. Guys, you could probably use those of you that are still in or reshorted the rally. You could probably use the parabolic now on the 133 chart if you wanted to. Probably wouldn't kill you.
Yeah, 514. That's not bad.
You could probably use that and just attach it to it and let it do what it wants to do at this point. No way you can lose money on it. Nice job, Guy.
Great job, Guy.
Worldwide reach. Nice job.
Good job, world.
Look at that. Worldwide reach. Follows instructions. Shorted all the rallies. Made a bunch of money. Done for the day. How about that?
Beautiful.
Look for a rally to short, Paul. Good job. Worldwide.
Yeah, be patient.
Sorry
Don't
about
give
that,
it
Coach.
back so quick. Remember, our first trade that some of you were late arriving. What were the instructions? Don't revenge trade. Wait. So here you only had like anywhere after 9:36 to 9:45, right? You had 9 minutes for a nice little rally to fail. 9 minutes, that's all. And you could have grabbed over 100 points by waiting. If you jumped in and said, I can't wait, right? Let's say you remember we said
Short
the
rally.
institution's going to push it up. How much? 77 points. And then come down. That's exactly what happened. So if you went short around 518 down here, you got killed. The shorts got stopped out. They had to buy. As they bought into the rally, then we shorted and rolled it over. And I got my 100 points.
Hey.
Isn't that, I mean, that's all you need, one 100-point winner, right? In this case, you could have gotten from that second short 116 points. I don't know if you want to call it two separate trades, Coach, or really one big winner. It's
yeah. I mean, it could be two separate trades because we did tell them to
Yeah.
reshort the rally. So
I'll do it that way, right? I'll make it 505, the 100-point winner.
Yep. And then reshort of the rally.
Yeah. So people can see that they can get, with patience, another setup.
Yep. Just be patient here, guys. There'll be another setup coming.
All right. Yep. It was a nice little pushback up there. Not much, but it couldn't even get to that first touch rule. Now you look at it and say, all right, I missed the last 6 trades. I'll do the first touch rule. And now you lose because guess what? The market is saying 10 o'clock coming up, reports coming out, right? 10 o'clock. What report just came out? Investor Confidence Index.
Is that a new one? Is that?
State
That's
Street.
made
Yeah,
up.
they every month they come out.
That's made up.
I don't think it's that. I think it was just profit taking.
Yeah, that's all it was.
Market, market had a nice 27-point move down, right? 27-minute move down, right? If you look at it, went up and down for about 27 minutes in the cycle, and everybody said, "Oh, I'm going to be happy, take my profits." This time, I think it gets to that 630 because now you got shorts who are trapped. Still down on the day, but look at these bars. Went up and down. Nice reversal bar there. Fake out. It was actually a fake out breakout to the downside.
Downside. Yep.
Once it went back in there. So those were, you had 3 good shots to get this, guys. The 4th didn't work. If somebody was waiting for the first touch roll after, 3 other failed highs, it was too late.
Well, you guys make me work early this morning. Got 11 a.m. 11 a.m. coaching meeting, Kevin. Are you ready to? Is it Kevin? Yes, Kevin.
Pretty much done for the morning, or at least for the next half an hour, right, guys? I'm not going to call trade for the next half hour. I know that. I don't care what the market does now. I'll do whatever it wants to do. Just going to watch the fun in games, watch people now.
You okay?
Well, yeah, Mahoney, I make good money. It's like,
Just,
why should I do it again?
I mean, for those of you guys obviously saw the sell signal on the 16 tick rule. It was a good one. You could have taken it. If you really need to take another trade, but relax for a little while, guys. I think that's what Coach is trying to say, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, relax for a little bit. Is there anybody who hasn't taken a trade this morning that really needs to be in a trade? We've done pretty well this morning, guys. We've done pretty darn well.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, just visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls, as well as participation in chat to questions answered by a coach. We even include access to our live classes. Please like, subscribe, and share. And after your first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month for trade room access. Visit libertytradingclub.com to register for your free 3-day trial. Happy trading.